everyone. Allow us to introduce myself. We are from Tidar University, Department of English Education. With me, Fairuz Samudra, and my partner.
And my name is Elendra Samudra.
And we are here right now to interview Magelang citizen about movies. Do they prefer Hollywood movies or do they prefer Indonesian movies, and why? Are you curious how it's gonna turn out? Let's check it out. So here we are, guys, with our first subject of the interview with Mr. Anda. Mr. Anda. So about Indonesian movies industry, do you think it's already as good as Western movies, or is it still lacking in terms of quality? What do you think about it?
Soal perfilman yang ada di Indonesia, menurut saya sebenarnya untuk film-film saat ini udah mulai mengikuti perkembangan tren yang ada di film barat. Jadi menurut saya untuk kualitas film yang sekarang itu sudah jauh lebih baik daripada yang sebelum-sebelumnya.
So it's still some quality from Hollywood, but there is a growth over time. Yes.
Yes.
So yeah, I think that's a very true answer. I also agree with that statement too.
Yeah.
And so yeah, I think that's about it, sir. Thank you very much for your time.
Yes.
Shall we move on to the next subject?
Yeah, sure.
And here we are with our second and third subject with Mr. Christian and Theo. And so here comes the question. So do you guys think in Indonesia the industry movies is already good enough, or is it need to be improved to be such as Hollywood industries?
Kalau dibilang udah bagus sih, udah lumayan ya, dari bisa menyamai film kayak di film luar negeri kayak di Amerika itu udah bagus. Salah satunya film yang bagus di Indonesia tuh yang 13 Bom di Jakarta, itu filmnya bagus.
Yeah, I know about that movie. I really like that one too.
Paling kan kalau film yang di Indonesia tuh yang perlu di-improve itu yang film horornya, karena film horornya tuh masih kelihatan banget untuk jump scare-nya, nggak kayak yang luar.
So do you think it's lacking on the horror genre? It's too predictable, correct? So anything to add, sir? So you pretty much have the same opinion as you. I think that's a very good opinion, and I pretty much also agree about it. The horror genre in Indonesian movie industries are pretty lacking, I think. So yeah, moving on.
Okay, so here we are. We got fourth and fifth subject. This Mr. Akbar and this Mr. Fansa. So I ask you a question. So what do you think about Indonesian film? Do you think there are any difference with Hollywood film?
Menurut saya banyak sekali perbedaan antara film Indonesia dan film Hollywood ya. Dari perbedaan genre yang utamanya, karena kebanyakan film Indonesia itu mengangkat tema-tema horor dan Jawa sentris. Kemudian banyak sekali mengambil referensi dari mistis-mistis, kemudian dan sangat kental dengan unsur agamanya. Menurut saya itu berbeda banget dengan Hollywood ya. Hollywood itu biasanya science fiction, kemudian drama, dan horornya tuh ya memang agak beda dengan Hollywood menurut saya.
Any difference with horror film ya?
Sangat beda.
Itu sama menurut saya juga mungkin dari keadaan dananya ya. Dari Hollywood kan dananya mungkin sangat banyak dari dulu, udah dari tahun 90-an, 80-an juga membuat film berkali-kali, banyak untungnya, dan dananya sampai sekarang pun masih ada. Beda dengan film Indonesia yang biasanya tuh beberapa yang buat filmnya tuh dananya dari dana mereka sendiri, kayak film-film yang belakangan. Malah tapi keunggulannya Indonesia tuh beberapa ada yang film yang membutuhkan dana sedikit tapi sangat booming sekali di Indonesia. Like animation
Jumbo animasi Jumbo.
ya orang kuy
Biasa itu.
maybe that's all.
That's
Thank
it,
you
guys. Very different opinions all around, but most of them still thinks that Indonesian movies are very much below Hollywood. But it's okay because with time there's growth. Is that so, Bara?
Maybe, but in my conclusion, I hope that in a few next years, Indonesian film quality will be grow up and will be compete with Hollywood film.
So yeah, I think that's about it, guys. That concludes our interviews today. I am Fairuz Saputra.
And I am Elindra Bara Samudra.
We thank you very much for listening to our interview. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.